Starters muna tayo, brought to us by Doride, ang bola ng Pinoy. It's Nonato, Hao, Baldomero, Bonzalida, and Mejia para sa makabagong San Juan Mighty Warriors. Palawan New Rich Builders naman, beginning this ball game with Velasquez, Zamoras, Rosales, Dulanas, and Binagatan in this game number 2.
For Zamora, especially if you want to bounce back from yesterday's game, that's the way to do it.
Speaking of staying hot, is Sean Hao has his ace Baldomero. Attacks the defense of Rosales, finishes with his left. 5-0 start para sa San Juan.
Another strong Palawan as we see this drive galing dito sa makabagong San Juan. 7 points in the first quarter last game.
Oh, the first field goal para sa Palas. Take another look at that move from Kurt Velasquez. It's that soft touch.
And for some, you can give someone multiple possessions.
Rosales on the attack. Excellent feed. That's Gardolanas getting his first two of the game.
And this is something
Here in season 3, but just had 3 points in that game number 1 loss. Great execution of that baseline inbound. Hook, short para kay Ram Sharma. Now in para sa makabagong San Juan. Corbus, pinasok na rin para sa Urich Builders. Takes it all the way.
that's a great
Game for himself. Dun sa game 1 na yon, had 17 points to lead all scorers. Trying to pick up, bouncing it to Ignacio. Block. Great rejection there para kay Ram Sharma. Nonato feeding Ogadan through the middle for the lefty layup.
Well, that's the makabagong San Juan.
On another level, take another look at that block from Ram Sharma. Naabangan itong si Mano Ignacio. And dito naman sa kabila, Andre Ogadan getting his first 2 points here in this game. Andre against Louis. La Rosa, straight away 3. Knocks down the triple, the second of the ball game para sa makabagong San Juan. Montalo. Last shot time if they wish to. Short stab para kay Corpuz. Kasali down to 1.
Game for them, so every opportunity they get, they're gonna take it.
Ogadan for 3. Short. La Rosa with still some time left. Quite the impact of the bench. Nick of time after this Ogadan miss from the 3. Tiptoeing on that sideline. Of great presence of mind. More than enough time.
For San Juan.
Para dito kay Andre Ogadan. Biggest lead now para San Juan at 5, 18-13. Nodalo gets the finger roll.
Jim Corpus kasi itong San Juan, they're denying him So walang i-help pag doon ka umatake. As we see that jumper by Ogadan. So how do you stop this?
Lead at 5 once again, 20-15. La Rosa open once again. ADM La Rosa feeling it. 3-pointer. Number 14 para dito sa Palawan. Wala pang nahuhulog, Renzo.
Well, obviously struggling with the way magagawin sa last. We see that 3-pointer by Hao. Kung gaano kahirap si Zamoras, Rosales, and even Corpus. Si Dulanas lang pala yung bubutas ng 3-pointer para sa kanila.
Bernardo though will answer with that elbow jumper. Just so smooth.
If he attacks, so just settling for that mid-range jumper.
This is Dulanas once again. This time, scores underneath.
That's a great pass, galing.
Nonato. Almost stolen. Hao. Another triple para kay Sean Hao. His third of the ball game just before the shot. It's the presence of mind, understanding. Halos wala ng oras on their
The defensive possession. Pero pag timeout, nag-turnover naman. So, I don't think... And another breakdown on defense and off.
Trying to look for Ignacio. He will turn it over. La Rosa atake. Dips it over 2.
And again, if...
Goes to Corpus. Another 3. Second of the ball game para sa Palawan. Mapapailing na nga lang si Jim Corpus.
Keep yung roller. Kaya libreng-libre si Jim Corpus on the left for that 3-pointer.
5 points para kay Jim Corpus here in this game. I'm defended by Corpus. Now La Rosa. Keyhole jumper. Knocks down another ADM. What a first half. A second remaining. Velasquez will knock down the triple. Deficit, but instead, naibaba niya sa 6 ang kalamangan. Kurt Velasquez.
To catch up in this game.
Game number 2 tayo. Halftime score 36-30. Makabagong San Juan Mighty Warriors are up by 6.
To be open.
La Rosa pulls up. Another jumper will fall para kay ADM La Rosa. All the confidence.
This guy has been for makabagong San Juan. As you see that three-pointer by Jim Corpus, that's the answer for that.
Hands it off to Nonato. Ugadan will try for 3. And it knocks it down. Andre Ugat. Hirap to 8, 41-33. La Rosa na naman. Another triple. ADM La Rosa has 17.
Ratio na rin talaga for Palawan kasi with the way San Juan is playing defense against them, as you see this layup galing dito kay punta naman sa kabilang banda, masyadong madali para sa San Juan ang mga puntos.
Velasquez finally.
So they just have to take those and be confident when they're taking it.
La Rosa na naman na iwang bukas. Certainly not a person you wanna leave open.
Situation na hindi sa kanya nakafocus yung defense. He's just connecting from everywhere. Talking about La Rosa.
We got 20 points now in the ball game. Timeout nga. Ang Palawan Uric 3. Short. Long rebound. Able to track it down was Ignacio. Dulana sidestepping his way through for 2.
Apart from you. You're the one controlling the pace. You're the one.
Velasquez calling out the same play. This time, drop it off. Dulanas underneath. Gets his own version of an M1. Velasquez pulls up. Soft touch para kay Kurt.
And again, yung kasi masyadong binabantayan ng mid-range jumper. It's either you challenge the 3 or you challenge the drive. Yung mid-range jumper, medyo may loophole dyan as you see this 3-pointer by
Zamoras back to Velasquez. Dulanas asking for it. They set up Nodalo for another triple. James Nodalo. 2 big threes here in the third.
Dulanas.
Just 5 seconds on the shot clock para sa San Juan. Sharma gets it off the window for 2. Time down to 1 second. La Rosa will run out of time. Able to get an attempt for the Mighty.
Basket ang Palawan.
On to the final 10 minutes. Makabagong San Juan trying to secure this championship up by 5, 57-52.
Wide open in that shaded area, but he lost that ball.
Trying to shadow Andre. Series of moves and gets it to trickle in. Andre Ugadan. 59-52. Velasquez will escape once again.
And I think for the rest of
Usually, yun na yung panira na para kay Louie Rosales. And speaking of panira, La Rosa! Tuloy ang aboy para kay Adrian. Now it's 23.
La Rosa with another 3-pointer for makabagong San Juan Mighty Warriors.
Louie Rosales finally knocking down a triple. He will run it para sa Palawan. Pulls up for 3. Another triple! James Nodalo for the Urich Builders.
3-pointer is Nodalo, but this is that 3-pointer from Louie Rosales. Badly needed for him, and this is that 3-pointer from Nodalo. Just casually walking into that shot.
This is the closest Palawan has been in quite some time. Lead is down to 2, but unable to break through. They force another turnover. Nodalo steps back for another triple. Knocks down another! James Nodalo unconscious! Calling his own number nga, James Nodalo though. Playing the game of...
Just wanting to shoot that 3-pointer.
That's 14 now for Nodalo, but Nonato will answer para San Juan.
One, and that's really not the shot na nag-work for Kurt Velasquez.
Andre Ugadan calling his own number.
I know he just made a couple of big shots, but again, with the defense right in front of you, and these are the consequences if you take a bad
Rebounding, talagang dito. Nahihirapan ang palaki. It's Yuto. Short of the layup. Just 7 seconds remaining though. Abante pa rin ng 6 ang San Juan. Corpus! Making it interesting. Knocks down the triple with just 4 seconds remaining.
anymore. But what about Jim Corpus just making that three-pointer? Yung mahirap pa, yung
Now, Sharma and Nonato with him. La Rosa looking for a friend. Able to find Ugadan, and there's the foul.
And this guy has been very consistent. He's the biggest performer for Andre Ugada. No? Kaya nang sabi mo kanina, after that big run by Palawan Urich Build.
Trying to go for that alley-oop, but it is Andre Ugada getting another stop. The confetti is out as we will be crowning a new national champion sa ating Manny Pacquiao Jr. MPPL 1800 division. It will be.
And he's very impressive for this game.
What a time to show up para kay